who's doing this?
Alright, so this happened. Went the other morning to press down and the cable snapped. The accelerator cable snapped off in the back. I guess it was just a wore out cable. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take all of this out, rewire it, and put a new one on. And this is the old one right here. We're going to have to go back under, disconnect from there, and rewire it. So we'll try and show you how we do it.
So to explain what Tyler did is, this is the old one. So I'll demonstrate this with y'all. We ended up just cutting that. This was supposed to be connected. What this was is right here. It went through and it came out right there. Right there. We ran this cable all the way right here, and then we just put it through this hole. And this part, you can see it right here. It's, like I said, this is the old one, right here like that. Go through, and then this part of the new one connects right there. Good as new. He did a good job.